Wish me happy birthday. It's my birthday today. Hello guys and welcome to my birthday vlog. I have this birthday tradition that every year on my birthday I'll travel to a new place. So once it was Italy, once it was Spain, once it was somewhere else. But this year I couldn't travel anywhere because we have just been to Japan and we've also just been to Italy last week. So I did not travel anywhere. Not traveling to a new country or something, but I am walking to a new place. This is the first time I'm going to be here and this is nothing like my birthday tradition, but let's see how it goes. So, quick update. I took a train from my home and got down at Renningen station and then now I'm walking. Yeah, I'm walking because the bus was 40 minutes later and I didn't want to wait for so long, so I'm walking. Maybe we'll catch the bus in the next stop or I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, wish me happy birthday. This is where we are walking. This is how it looks. I think it's an autobahn or something. Also, while I walk, let's talk. So this is my first actual vlog that I'm doing while I'm traveling or going somewhere. And I chose this place because you can see there's no one here. I'm the only human, but there are lots of cars going and coming, but I'm the only human. So it is very easy for me to vlog because no one's looking at me. And I'm also not that confident to vlog in crowded places. So yeah, come with me to my birthday location. Stuck in the middle of nowhere, but it is still so beautiful right here. Lots of vehicles, but no human. And I've kind of lost my way. So let's see how it goes. Reached a housing location here in Renningen. And the fun fact about it is all these houses, you see these new buildings here. Most of them, we have seen the ad for it, all these houses, while we were searching to buy a house. And now I'm walking past them and I'm like, oh, I know this house. Oh, I know that one. And there is still a construction going on here for some other house. I'll show it to you. And then there's also one more house behind it, which is newly constructed. And I know the exact ad, who's the builder, everything, because that's how much we had searched for a flat while we were looking to buy one, and now we finally bought one, so that's okay. But yeah, this is fun. Yeah, do you see construction? This one I know it's a new construction, and then you see here the construction is going on. Then we have these houses here. We had searched for them as well. And yeah, so let's walk. What a day for birthday, to be lost in nowhere, and then finally now I am in a locality that looks like humans live here. So what a day, what a birthday. I'll forever remember this. But yeah, now I'm kind of tired and I hope there's a bus stand or something close by and I can get into a bus. And also I'm very thirsty. I want to drink something, but there's no supermarket nearby, so I cannot buy anything. So yeah, birthday good going. Do you see that gelateria there? Yeah, that's where I'm planning to go now because I want to eat an ice cream. Let's see if it's open. Okay, the gelateria is closed. No ice cream for me today, so the gelateria opens at 2. So no ice cream for me. But yeah, let's just walk. What have I got myself into? But then this is still nice, right? Because it's my birthday and this is my birthday adventure. At least I'm not in a new country, but I'm still on an adventure. So let's see, how do I reach that place where I want to go? At what time do I reach? This is quite adventurous. Finally found a bus stop and right now I'm waiting for the bus because walking in this heat for next 30 minutes is too much for me. I cannot walk. So I'm waiting in this bus stop for the bus and you can see that I've tied my hair now because it's so hot. I just cannot. I was sweating, so I just cannot. So I've tied my hair and now let's wait for the bus. The bus is arriving, the bus is arriving, the bus is arriving. Here comes the bus. La 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 la. Here comes the bus. Okay, so I'm switching to voiceover now because this is my first time vlogging and probably I'm still very shy to even speak in a bus or like record in a bus and start talking. So now we do the voiceover. So yeah, I got into this bus. There was seat. There were two other Indians also along with me. And then it was a nice ride till the place that I'm going. You still don't know where I'm going, right? So it was a nice bus ride, and I think that was a nice decision, perfect decision to take the bus because the journey was quite long and it was very sunny, very hot, and I was happy that I took the bus. So I finally reached my birthday location and got down from the bus, and now looking at this place and the people here, I think you can guess where I'm going to. Actually now you can really see where I'm going to. If you look at it closely, you can guess where I'm going to. And yeah, here we are. The shoes are not allowed in my birthday location, so I removed my shoes and kept them here. And then I wanted to buy something like Archana Thali for the god inside. Of course, now you've guessed that it's a temple. And yeah, this is a Sri Venkateshwara temple in Stuttgart in Renningen, and it is newly opened and I'm visiting here for the very first time. And it is so beautiful. The temple, the atmosphere, the vibe, everything was perfect, peaceful and nice. I totally loved the architecture of the entire temple. It is a totally South Indian style of temple, South Indian architecture, so colorful, and for a moment I felt like I was in India because it was so beautiful and colorful. And of course there was puja going on. I gave my Archana Thali to the priest or the panditji, and then he blessed me. He did puja of Venkateshwara or Venkatramanu like we call it in Mangalore, and I was very happy to visit this temple on my birthday, also because of one more reason which you will see later. But yeah, right now I was very happy to visit this temple because Venkatramana is my favorite god, and I am getting to visit Lord Venkatramana's temple on my birthday here in Stuttgart. I mean, that was totally surreal for me. And this Venkateshwara here, he looks so much like Tirupati Venkateshwara, and for the longest time now I have wanted to visit Tirupati. So on my birthday, visiting this temple was the perfect cherry on top for me, and I totally loved this very peaceful experience. And in case if you are somewhere close to Stuttgart, or if you live in Heilbronn, Heidelberg, Mannheim, or anywhere close by, I would recommend you to visit this temple at least once because it is beautiful and I mean it's really nice. And now to the cherry on top in this temple was this gathering of people behind the temple for Srinivasa Kalyanam, and this Srinivasa Kalyanam was being conducted by TTD, people from TTD themselves, that is Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanams themselves. And I felt so lucky, and I felt so grateful and blessed to get to witness this on my birthday here in Stuttgart. I mean, this was surreal because I have watched Srinivasa Kalyanam earlier in Mangalore or in India, but watching this here in Stuttgart was so surreal for me, and I think that was perfect for my birthday because yeah, your favorite god chose to get married on your birthday. How cool is that, right? I don't know, maybe a lot of you have already left this vlog now and you're not already here because I'm talking about temples and everything. I know it's boring, but I totally enjoyed this day and I wanted to share this with all of you. And in case if you're around Mangalore, if you're around Stuttgart or around this place, if this temple organizes more of these things, I would recommend that you attend them because it is a wonderful feeling, wonderful crowd, wonderful public, and yes, it's perfect. And now you can see the Mangalya Dharanam, that is wearing of the Mangal Sutra by goddess Lakshmi, that is Sri Devi, and now Mala Dharanam. And this was perfect for my birthday. I totally enjoyed it. So on the top was this temple of Venkateshwara and behind there was a garden, and where this is happening, and you knew that when I reached the temple I was super thirsty. I went to the ice cream shop, it was closed. So as soon as I reached this place, they were giving cold rose milk, which was perfect for that heat, and that totally calmed me down. And then I also got a place to sit and enjoy the Srinivas Kalyanam. It was on the floor, but that's totally okay. It was a little behind on the floor, and that was totally fine for me because at least I'm like sitting and I'm now cool and relaxed. And yeah, this is where I was sitting, and I thought I'll make a small video of me sitting, and then I wanted to show it to you, but then I suddenly realized that everyone behind me, they were getting up and leaving, and I'm like, hey, where are you going? Even I want to come with you. And I stopped it and I left. And this is why all of them were leaving for the prasada distribution. And the food looks so good. Look at it. It was looking very yum, and there was also a long queue. And as soon as I knew there was queue, I ran. I literally ran and found the shortest queue and stood in that queue, patiently waiting for my turn to get the prasada because I was totally tired and I did not even have the breakfast that day. And I finally reached the prasada counter and I got this. So this was basically khara pongal with khara pongal is basically like khichdi. Yeah, that's khara pongal along with raita and pickle. After that, I went again to the Venkateshwara temple and I got a chance to sing a bhajan, and I totally loved that experience, singing a bhajan here in Stuttgart. And then I finally got into the same bus which I had caught earlier when I was coming to the temple. This time though, the bus was totally packed and I was so lucky to get a seat to actually sit and relax. And now this time I was not thirsty like I was earlier, right? So I enjoyed the route. I was looking at all the road, the scenery that passed by, and it was really very beautiful. And scenery is also one of the things that I would recommend anyone to visit this place because it was really beautiful. And yeah, I'm super happy because I got a seat, and you already saw how full the bus was. So we did Archana there in the temple. I ate yummy food. I also sang a bhajan. It was very nice feeling for me because I got to sing a bhajan on my birthday to my favorite god, Venkatramana. So yes, and this is my Archana packet. And now I'm going home. And yeah, if you have stayed till here, thanks a lot. And this was my first vlog, so there might have been a lot of mistakes, problems, or it might have been boring as well. But if you have stayed till here, thank you. And do subscribe, and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.